Installation precautions. 1. Avoid damp environments. 2. Avoid dusty or corrosive areas. 3. Maintain distance from walls for maintenance. 4. Ambient temperature below 40 degrees Celsius. Check all components. Begin installation. Wrap the long threaded rod with 15 to 20 layers of PTFE tape. Note: all pipe connections require PTFE tape. Install the safety valve at the top of the air tank, or lay tank down for easier access. Then, install the drain valve at the bottom of the tank. Mount the pressure gauge at the front pressure port of the tank. Take and install the 1-inch rod and ball valve at the compressor outlet. Take out the 1-inch union and align the flared end when connecting. Install the 1.5 to 1-inch reducer bushing at the tank inlet lower side. Attach 1-inch male connector to high-pressure pipe. Connect the high-pressure pipe from compressor outlet to tank inlet. Tighten it securely. Take the Q-class precision filter. Connect it to the tank outlet with a union. Note the arrow direction on the filter. Do not install backwards. At filter outlet, install high-pressure pipe union. If the sizes don't match, use a reducer bushing. Connect high-pressure pipe to refrigerator dryer inlet marked in. Install the elbow and long rod at the dryer outlet marked out. Install the P-class filter on the long threaded rod. Then take the S-class filter and connect both filters using a union. Also note the arrow direction on the filters, here. Important: install the filters vertically for proper drainage. Install a ball valve at the outlet to connect to the workshop piping. Install drain valves at the bottom outlets of all 3 filters. Finally, use a pipe wrench to tighten all fasteners securely. Complete the piping connections.